Good morning students. Welcome to our class. In this video, we'll discuss about advantages and disadvantages of frictional force. And next, frictional force produces heat. The third one is how to increase and decrease the frictional force. About these 3 points we'll discuss in this video. Coming to the first point, advantages and disadvantages of frictional force. Before going to discuss this point, is friction is necessary? Let us see the things that will not happen in the world if friction were not present. For example, we will not have any cars, bicycles, scooters, any mode of transport. We will not have any cars, any mode of transport if frictional, all these transport or vehicles are moving because of the frictional force only. Coming to the second point, we will not able to stop a moving vehicle by applying brakes without frictional force. You will not be able to hold any object like now I am holding chalk piece. If absence of frictional force, I am unable to hold this chalk piece. Soap, scissor, books, bags, bottles, whatever. You will not be able to hold any object in presence of frictional force. Next, that carpenters, they will not be able to smoothen the surfaces. Next, coming to that, you will not able to. It will not be able to write. Means it is not possible to write with a pen or pencil. See, to complete classwork or to write on the board, how it possible? You have to hold this chalk piece. So it will not be able to possible to write on the board with a pencil or on the book with a pen or something. Next, no building could be constructed if frictional force were not present. So these are all the examples of necessity or advantages of frictional force. That all the points I wrote on the board once you see. Next, so many are there, few points I wrote it. Coming to the disadvantages of frictional force. What are the disadvantages? Frictional force produces heat. Frictional force produces heat. Because of this heat, there is a wearing and tearing of machinery parts in the factories. So to avoid this, we have to apply oils, greases or lubricants. So when you apply this, you can reduce the friction. You can reduce the friction and you can avoid the wearing and tearing of the machinery parts. See, here I used a word as lubricants. What are lubricants? Lubricants is nothing but they are the substances which we are using to reduce the friction. We are using the substances which we are using to reduce the friction. Here coming to the machinery tools, when you are applying oil, grease or lubricants, that suppose if you apply oil, means the oil forms a layer in between the two contacting surfaces. When you apply oil, when the friction is more, suppose if you want to push a door, when you want to close a door, when you are closing it is not moving smoothly. So you generally will apply some oil on the hinges of the door. When you apply the oil, then the door moves smoothly. See, means here the oil, when you are applying the oil on the hinges of the door, the oil forms a layer in between the surface of the hinge and the door. And this layer avoids the irregularities in between these two surfaces. We discussed about interlocking system. If there are irregularities, more irregularities are there, and there is a large amount of interlocking system is there. So to avoid this, we have to apply this oil. Oil avoids the interlocking system between the two surfaces. Such substances will call it as lubricants. So these are the disadvantages of frictional force. Now coming to the second point, this question is very important. Write about the advantages and disadvantages of frictional force. Next, the second point is frictional force produces heat. For example, if I take my hand and if I rub like this several times, and when you place your hand on your cheek, then you feel it is hard. Why? Because of the frictional force, it produces heat. It produces heat. And one more, there is a rise in the temperature in your hand. Next, one more example. You take a matchbox and take the matchstick and rub that matchstick on the surface of the box. See, the surface of the box is coated with some chemical and it is rough surface only. When you rub the matchstick with on the surface of the matchbox, then immediately the matchstick starts flame or burning. This is because of the frictional force. When you rub it in between the stick and the surface of the box, it produces heat. Because of the frictional force, it produces heat. So the heat is catched by the matchstick, which is having the chemical at the end of that stick, easily catching that heat and start burning. So like this we can say that frictional force produces heat. Now coming to the third point, how to increase and decrease the frictional forces. In our daily life, when you observe, for example, if you take spoon, this is the spoon. So suppose you imagine that this is a spoon, this is the head part, and this is the holding to that. So you just hold it, and with the another hand, with the thumb you have to hold this head of the spoon and try to pull it. Try to pull it with your wet hands. Hands should be dry on. In first case, your hands should be dry on. Just pull it. When you pull it, you will not easily, you cannot pull that. You pull your hands from the spoon. Now, take your left hand and just dip in your hand in water or make it wet your hand and hold it to this head of the spoon and pull it. When you pull it, easily you can pull from this hand. Easily you can pull it. See here in the first case, when your hands are dry, you cannot pull it easily because frictional force is more. When your hand is wet and hold it, then you can easily pull it. This is because of your hand is wet. Wet means what? Frictional force is less. So like this you can increase or decrease. More examples are there in our daily life. For example, if you observe the shoes, the sportsmen, they are wearing the shoes. So the sole of the shoes are grooved. Why? Because while they are walking, jumping, running, they should have some grip from the floor. If the sole of the shoe is smooth, what happens? They may slip, they will not get any grip because the floor is smooth and the sole of the shoe is also smooth. Both are smooth means frictional force is very, very less. If it is less, the person may skip, then he may fall on the floor, he cannot do his work, means running, jumping like that. So the persons, those are wearing, or otherwise the shoes, the sole of the shoes are grooved because to get a better grip. Next, coming to tights. If you see any vehicle, bulldozers, lorries, cars, buses, whatever the vehicle's tires, when you observe, these tires also threaded. Why? To same only. When you are applying the brakes, when you want to stop here, to get a better grip, the tires of the vehicles are grooved like this. Next, one more example, gymnastics. The persons, those are doing that gymnastics, before going to that, they have to hold rods with their hands and they have to do that feats. So when they are holding, then because of some tension or fear, some person's hands may get sweat. So they cannot do and they may slip, they cannot do their feats properly. So to avoid all this, before going to do that feats, they will apply a course of powder to their hands. They will take a amount of course of powder and they will apply to their hands and they will start their feats. Why? Because to get better grip without skipping, without skidding. Understand? Next, so in all these cases, we discussed about how to increase friction. How to increase friction. Now coming to two more examples, how to decrease friction. For example, if you take the carom board, in this game we have to use striker coins. Okay, so when you strike with the striker the coins, so initially you should not apply any powder and you observe how the coins are moving. Next, in the second case, you apply the fine powder. Carom board powder is available, so just when you apply and you play, you observe in the second case the coins moves very smoothly. See, when you are applying the powder, it reduces the frictional force. So when the friction is reduces, the object moves freely. When the friction is more, the object does not move, means its speed is decreases. So like this, you can increase or you can decrease the frictional force by these activities. Thank you.